Today I am teaching some problem with the window. I think it's okay. Okay. Today I give you lesson about 45 sentences, third edition. Lesson 3, noun forms, material, nouns. There are 4 noun forms. We use many nouns in sentence. When we look around and we can find some materials, some products, some goods, anything, what we see are mostly nouns. For example, desk. I look around and then I'll tell some noun. Desk, bag, paper, computer, keyboard, wall, window, door, so many. We can name so many nouns when we study one language. For example, English, we learn about the vocabulary. Most of vocabulary are nouns. So when we use nouns, so many nouns, then there's a rule how to use nouns in sentences. There are 4 ways, basically 4 ways. Only we say about an air, an or an book, and books, another bags, using the UK. The UK. So, and these 4 forms are all about noun forms. So when we use a noun properly and just use a noun without article or on or the, or without not using plural, and we use it with the article or on or using plural, and also we should use the in English. These 4 noun forms are very important when we use in English nouns in sentence in English. Don't make mistakes on these noun forms, then your grammar, your English in grammar is better than before. Today I'll talk about material nouns. What are material nouns? Material means something from nature or animals, plants, and these are materials. We use so many materials. Then the materials normally just use word. For example, gold and wood, honey or rice, etc. These words are material nouns. So when used in the sentence with the material nouns, we don't use or normally, and the plural s. Are normally not normally used with material nouns. But on other cases we use it depends on material noun. If we use material nouns uncountable, at the time we don't use or on the plural. For example, silver, but countable or silver ring. At the time we use the silver ring, and we can count 1, 2, the ring, silver ring, or silver ring, 2 silver rings we can count. It's different. There are many material nouns from nature. Okay, from nature. Lots of mineral something like gold, silver, bronze, and soil, sand. There are many. From animals, milk. We have milk from animals. Hair, meat, something like that. And from plants or trees. And trees. Trees also plants. And wood. We have grain, some wheat, and corn, rice. There are many. Yeah, there are so many material nouns. So when we use material nouns, and then normally meaning of uncountable noun, we don't use article or on and the, or not plural, but countable, like Italian cheese and an Italian cheese. At the time, we can count some or a good wine. But normally, in cheese and wine is just material nouns. When we use the word in the meaning uncountable noun, then we don't use on. So, when we use nouns, we should know about which noun form should be used in the sentence in speaking. Just simple, and like air or on a book, and books or the book. Then only 4 noun forms are used in all sentences or spoken languages. Then, if we don't make mistakes about 4 noun forms, then we really good at speaking, writing in English. Okay, today I'll finish.